You ever set a perfect routine? Like you planned your whole life out on a Google Doc? And then by day 3, you're eating chips at 2 a.m. wondering what happened to that new version of you? Yeah. Same. Let me tell you something nobody says out loud. You don't fail routines because you're lazy. You fail because your brain is doing exactly what it's designed to do. And once you understand why you never stick to routines, you can fix it forever. Not for a week. Not for a month. Forever. Let's break this down. 1. The motivation trap. Here's the first trap. You start routines when you're emotionally hyped, not when you're mentally ready. Think about it. You watch a productivity video at 1:30 a.m. You suddenly decide, I'm gonna wake up at 5 a.m., meditate, run, journal, study 6 hours, and drink spinach water. And for one day, you kind of do it. You feel like a new character unlocked. And then your real life comes back. School. Work. Stress. You're tired. And the routine collapses. Why? Because motivation is a sugar rush. It hits fast. It fades fast. Routines that rely on motivation die the moment life gets heavy. Here's the fix. Start small enough that motivation isn't required. If your routine needs hype, it's too big. If it feels stupidly easy, that's the correct size. But the next trap is even sneakier. And it's the real reason you self-sabotage. 2. The all-or-nothing problem. Be honest. If you miss one day of your routine, your brain goes, well, I guess we failed. Maybe next month. This is all-or-nothing thinking. The mindset that if your routine isn't perfect, it's worthless. But routines are not supposed to be perfect. They're supposed to be consistent. And consistency includes mess-ups. Here's the fix. Switch from daily goals to identity goals. Not, I will study 2 hours every day. But, I'm the type of person who studies, even if some days are tiny. Identity survives bad days. Strict routines don't. But here's the trap 99% of people don't even know they're stuck in. 3. The decision fatigue trap. We think routines fail because we lack discipline. No. It's because your routine makes you think too much. Every time your routine requires a decision. Should I study first? Should I work out? Should I start now or later? Your brain loses energy. After 10 to 20 micro-decisions, you quit. Here's the fix. Make your routine stupidly automatic. Not flexible. Not adjustable. Automatic. Examples. Put your bag by the door every night. Automatic. Open your laptop the moment you sit at your desk. Automatic. Fill your water bottle before bed. Automatic. These remove decisions and replace them with triggers. And triggers build habits faster than motivation ever will. But even if you fix decision fatigue, there's a deeper trap almost nobody talks about. 4. Your routine doesn't match your real life. This one hurts. Most routines fail because they were designed for your fantasy self, not your real self. Fantasy you wakes up at 5 a.m. Fantasy you studies 6 hours. Fantasy you never gets tired, stressed, or bored. Real you has school. Real you has homework. Real you gets overwhelmed. Real you needs rest. A routine built for fantasy you will always collapse. So here's the fix. Design routines for the tired version of you. Not the perfect version. Ask yourself. If I had a bad day, would I still be able to do this? If the answer is no, shrink it until the answer becomes yes. And now the final trap, the one that changes everything once you fix it. 5. You don't track progress the right way. Most people track routines like, did I do it? Did I fail? That mindset kills progress. Why? Because it teaches your brain that routine equals pressure. Here's the fix. Switch from outcome tracking to streak tracking. One simple rule. Every day you attempt your routine, even tiny, you mark it. Attempt equals win. Execution is a bonus. Perfection is irrelevant. Humans love streaks. Your brain literally gets a dopamine hit from seeing progress stack up. Even if you do the smallest version of your habit. Like writing one sentence. Studying 2 minutes. Stretching for 20 seconds. The streak keeps your brain engaged. And once your brain is engaged, your routine sticks without forcing it. 6. The simple system that actually sticks. Here's everything combined. The system that actually works. Step 1. Pick 1 to 2 identity habits. Simple. Clear. Tied to who you want to become. For example, I'm the type of person who takes care of my body. I'm the type of student who shows up, even small. Step 2. Shrink the habits. Make them small enough that tired you can do them. 10 push-ups. 2 minutes of studying. A 30-second tidy up. Step 3. Attach them to triggers. After brushing teeth, journal 1 line. After sitting at your desk, open your laptop. After school, review notes for 2 minutes. Step 4. Track attempts, not perfection. Every try counts. Let streaks build identity. Step 5. When the habit feels automatic, level it up. Small. Consistent. Bigger. Consistent. Identity. This is how routines stick. Not with hype. Not with discipline. With smart psychology. Look, sticking to routines isn't about becoming a superhuman. It's about working with your brain, not against it. Stop designing routines for your ideal self. Start designing them for your real self. Tiny habits. Identity-based routines. Triggers. Streaks. Consistency over perfection. You can change your entire life with these. So here's your challenge. Pick 1 habit you want to build, and shrink it to the smallest possible version. Do it today. Do it tonight. Give your future self something to thank you for. And if you want more videos like this, and you're ready to become the strongest version of yourself, hit subscribe, join the community, and let's level up together. We've got this.